Vacation Bible School is from July 18th through 22nd. This year the theme is Cave Quest, following Jesus, the light of the world. VBS is for children from 3 years old to 5th grade and helps them discover ways they can follow Jesus. We still need adult volunteers to lead classes and cave crews. No experience is necessary. We have training sessions to show you how. I helped lead a cave crew last year and it was so much fun teaching the kids. Part of our mission here at Trinity is growing disciples, and this just might be a way for you to help. For more information, go to the City Plaza and enter the keyword VBS or email vbs@trinityroselle.com. And of course, check your takeout. This week, Allegro Bells, our high school handbell choir, is leaving for a concert tour and service project in the Cincinnati area. They will return next Sunday night for a dinner and homecoming concert. The Summer Games, our new Christian sports camp, is July 11th through 14th, and there are 2 sections. Preschool and kindergartners will play soccer, basketball, gymnastics, and do an obstacle course geared for them, while children going into grades 1 through 8 will play flag football, soccer, basketball, ultimate frisbee, and do a Ninja Warrior obstacle course. According to head game maker Lanny Vance, each day a guest speaker will lead a devotional on the 4 words: joy, faith, honor, and endurance. You can find a registration link on our school website, trinitymcs.com, or wearemission.com/thesummergames. Personally, the last thing I want to talk about this summer is school. It seems like summer vacation just started, but I know it won't be long before classes start again, and that's why Trinity is sponsoring a School Supply Sunday for disadvantaged students the weekend of July 17th. We have collected school supply lists from many area schools, and you can find them all in the city. All the lists have the basic supplies you'd expect, like No. 2 pencils, Crayola crayons, pink erasers, and rulers, along with many specific supplies that vary from school to school and grade to grade. Please get a list from the city and choose specific items that you'd like to purchase, and bring them to the front of the church at any service the weekend of July 16th through 18th. You can also drop them off in the lobby during the week. If you have any questions, please contact Teresa Middlebrun in the Trinity Development Office.